Troy, Katie, Jen, Marty here at the Village Collection. We are looking at Troy's new beautiful kitchen. It's about to go into our finishing shop to get stained and finished. Once it's done, we're going to move it over to our warehouse and we'll store it until the job site's ready. But before we break it back down and get the finishing started, I thought we'd just do a quick walkthrough of it so you can see everything. We're going to start out with your refrigerator cabinet. A couple notes for the installer as we go along. Any place where a cabinet meets the floor, all the way down to the floor, it is 1 inch taller than it needs to be, and that's so it can get scribed to the finished floor. And that's very important to know when you go to set the cabinets to install that at those locations you're going to have to trim off 1 inch and scribe it to the floor. So when you're looking at the base cabinets here, we don't have the feet on it. That goes on when you install, and there's an adjustment in that where they adjust up and down. So, you know, set your line for that where you want your countertop height, and then everything adjusts from there down. Okay, back to this cabinet. You got your tray dividers here, and there is a shelf that we're supplying that goes above that, so you can put your trays and also put platters in above should you decide to do that. Refrigerator fits here. Then you have your range, regular drawer. Inside this cabinet you have the 2 pull-outs. The heights are adjustable. It requires a screwdriver to move them. We've set them equally spaced right now, but should you decide you want to put a large stock pot in, you can actually move this one down, or you can move it up. Gives you that adjustability. And same thing, wherever a cabinet meets a wall, it's extended 1 inch so that can be scribed off. And it's really important to make sure that when installing that you do that, so the cabinets don't end up extra deep. Okay, then we have drawer bank here, large drawers, upper cabinet with adjustable shelves on both sides. Inside this cabinet is set up for adjustable shelves on both sides of the ducting. We will supply a loose panel to go on here to hide the ducting after it's hooked up. So for the installer, appliance installer, they're going to have to cut the holes for the ducting, and then we will supply that loose panel to go over there to conceal that. This cabinet right here has the Le Mans system, and this is so you can access that blind corner in the back. And this is really cool. Those hard to reach things can now just get pulled directly out to you. Coming around the corner, you've got your windows on across here, and you have the floating shelves that are going here, and I believe there's one above here as well. All that's right here. They're pre-routed for the lighting on the bottom skins. It's hard to see. Maybe Josh, you can kind of zoom up. This is the bottom skins. They're routed for the light housing as well as channeling that wire out to them. Fixed front in front of the sink, and then a large cabinet for anything that you have going in there, be it a Insta-Hot or filtration system, your garbage disposal, anything. Dishwasher. Then you have your upper cabinet. Microwave sits here, cookbooks here, adjustable shelves here. And your double waste bin. There's 2 bins here, all on soft close, just like everything else. Your knives. You can do like steak knives here, and your larger butcher knives, carving knives right here. Then 3 more drawers. This top drawer for all your silverware and other utensils. Now moving over to the island's getting painted, so it's all paint grade. Let's see, this drawer here is getting the docking drawer, so it's going to have outlets inside that. Great place for charging iPhones or any other devices. And then your large drawers, pots, pans, dishes, you name it. This fixed panel over here, open shelves. This right here is going to be stone going inside this opening. It's going to waterfall over this edge, and that's your dog feeding area. So dog bowls will go right there. The base molding is going to actually, this for the installer, so have the stone installed first with the waterfall, and then the base will come in butt to that as it wraps around the corner. And coming around the back side of the island, you've got panels. You'll notice the space here where this drawer is packed in, and that's so that there's plenty of space to put the outlet on the side and get all your wires channeled in. One other area I want to show you is the Surfperch pantry right over here. And we pull out here, big drawers, everything's soft closed. Something to note, all the drawers are solid maple, dovetail construction, everything's premium grade, and just like on the refrigerator cabinet, this comes all the way to the floor. That needs to get scribed when it's installed. Plus, these styles are 1 inch bigger than they need to be so that they can get scribed into the opening. So I think that's about all I have to show you for today. We will send some pictures after the finishing's done, but in the meantime, we'll get these things over there and get the finishing process started. So thank you. When you're getting close to where you need the cabinets, then just reach out to Ralph, and he'll coordinate the delivery and also consult the installer should he have any questions. Thank you.